Hi, I'm Sir Bren and I'm here to present the lesson about how to do Pareto charts in Minitab. But first, what is Pareto chart? Pareto chart is a statistical tool or technique used in decision making. It is a common tool in Six Sigma defined phase. It uses the Pareto principle or the 80-20 rule, named after Italian economist Vilfredo Pareto. States that for many outcomes, roughly 80% of consequences came from 20% of the causes, or the vital few. In this example, we will determine the vital few that needs attention, or we detect the causes using the 80-20 rule. Our example is about data regarding complaints for a pizza chain restaurants. C1T to C2 are the complaints categories: crust, toppings, cheese, wrong pizza, too long on hold, late delivery. These are the categories, and the number of complaints per category. And the breakdown for each store, we have 5 branches: store A, store B, store C, store D, store E. While separately, C10T are complaints by location, A to E, and C11 to C16 are the complaints by category and by location. Now, we ask ourselves these questions: what is the biggest complaint and which branch has the most number of complaints? To analyze complaint categories by the number of complaints using Pareto charts, we go to Stat, Quality Tools, and choose Pareto chart. Defects or attribute data in, we choose complaint categories. Frequency in, we choose number. Click Do Not Combine to see all the categories, because since the categories are only few, we choose Do Not Combine. If the categories are too many, we choose Combine Remaining Defects. But since it is only few, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 complaints categories, choose Do Not Combine. And then now click OK. To analyze this output, we can see that the vital few here is the crust at 70.6%. When crust and toppings are combined, it is 92.2%. We therefore conclude that the 80% here is the crust, it at 70.6%. Since crust is the biggest problem that needs to be addressed, next question is, in which branch location exhibits this problem? Again, we create another Pareto chart, but now we concentrate on crust complaints per location. Go to Stat, Quality Tools, and Pareto chart. Now, we go to complaints by location, double click, frequencies in, crust complaints, double click, Do Not Combine, and OK. We can see in this output that the number of crust complaints per location or branch is almost identical. Therefore, we can assess the problem may be system related or an endemic problem to their business. Thus, the management, upon assessing, can make the necessary adjustments pertaining to the crust complaints, process-wise or product-wise. Hope you have learned from this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Sir Bren, and like this video. Thank you very much, and I will see you on my next tutorial. Goodbye.